Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Viber verification code not received issue on your iPhone or Android. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop the verification code from being delivered. Then check whether you've entered the correct phone number or email address inside the app. Even a small mistake can prevent the code from arriving. If the app sends codes through email, go ahead and make sure to check your spam and trash folder because the messages sometimes get filtered there. Now, restart your phone and try requesting the verification code again. Then you can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes verification issues. Then after that, make sure your phone number is able to receive text messages. Some users accidentally block unknown numbers or disable SMS permission, so you should also remove any VPN connection because VPNs can sometimes interfere with verification system. If the code is still not arriving, wait a few minutes before trying again. Requesting too many codes in a short period of time may temporarily block new verification attempts. If available, try using the voice call verification option instead of SMS. You should also update the app Viber. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Viber, and update the app to the latest version if you've not already, because outdated versions can cause login and verification issues. Finally, if none of these work, then contact the Viber app support directly and report the issue with your account or phone number. That's how you fix verification code not received on Viber. Subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.